salute una this afternoon, country people them. We don't start more than the time, late than the time we get for start, but we dey ever talk say them for say we late, make we come so that we fit talk with you get for give and for now for this PG News debate. For all one the follow for PG News Facebook page, we'll be talk for now since this morning time say surprise. A day for now the give and for now PG News debate on a kind, but no now one will go turn back for talk the plenty thing that will happen inside the week. And for this PG News debate, the special one, the surprise, we will be talk so we'll go give and for now the first for inside this year, and now so one time go give on the surprise and no go the announce on go just see people them where they go the come. My own stranger for this afternoon na person I don't give am red carpet to for enter Tori house. In name na Kawa Yannick. Kawa, Happy New Year.
Why, same to you, sir.
How you there?
No, are they very, very okay? You feel see on yourself.
And how your work be there from mile 4 for Limbe way day, so they reach for Douala this afternoon?
Yeah, I go talk say my work it be really be stressed up, you know, from Limbe to Douala here, you know, easy, the whole route, you know, control them over plenty, so that they overstop motor them, driver get for settle before we continue. So, but I don't reach fine.
Yes, thank God, and just for Sabi say for sick I say Kawa no be don't come, we no be fit for start. When I go the ask and say plenty of una no go surely know the name, but una know that name. Kawa Yannick. Now one of the boy then we be don't hold gun for this problem for Southwest and Northwest, and he decide for Lebanon. And just now, it then for the center for 5 Yango Francis, DDR Center, winner for the way they try for look at them for say waiting. May they forget say they be don't fair hold gun for some half time, so that if he enter back for society for start doing them. So Kawa Yannick, he been our own special guest this afternoon on a surprise we will keep on for now. Kawa Yannick, we the one ask you some question. Limbe, it be one of the time we the talk say Ndamba go pass. So the small time you go to see stranger they come Limbe.
You been
how Limbe you feel Limbe like say something they come for day?
For Limbe, I feel say Limbe really they ready because you see. You yourself where they Limbe now, you see changes. Yes, you just see the environment, you feel the breeze for down beach don't change.
Okay, so the breeze the try what tell you say stranger
they come. Yeah.
So you like person stay for Limbe, you the glad for see player they for different country they go they come play Ndamba for Limbe. You as I be saying the first time that kind of thing they happen, you the glad say people that they come Limbe?
No, I go the glad, no, I the glad joy there for my heart plenty. You yourself, you know that kind of thing for me yourself for enter again for fees yourself, so I watch match. We na international match for my first time and not easy. So I the glad plenty.
Now, you like person where you don't fair hold gun and you the outside now. With the here Congo side for us, I say no, the thing no go pass this and that. You like person where you don't first before the inside the field. How when you hear that kind of open eye the way they come, you feel fine? Say they will disturb the one they plan for disturb.
You know, for these things say the kind thing no go pass. I feel say that one are just Facebook propaganda. You know they on ground.
Okay.
Ground is different from thing way people they hear. For ground here, they totally different. Go for I just meet any man come for Limbe, come for Boya, can't see how places there. You know say nothing. That kind of talk I see for Facebook. And at the years, more to lead them for social media, not before ground.
So for you to say the weight that people then say they come, you say look that in life.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Kawa Yannick, so I don't see now we first guest for this Tori House for the number 2 edition for PG News debate inside Equinox Tori House. And as we get special thing that we'll go talk with Kawa. But Kawa, plenty people then they go one for Sabi you better. Who be Kawa Yannick?
My name na Yannick Kawa. Yeah, I'm from Manu Division.
Yes.
Manfi Central. Yes, I be one of the Amber boys them. Trained. I be don't be.
You be don't be.
Yes, trained. No be corner roaders. I be for struggle for Nigeria. I be trained by Nigerian militant for Dadzi and inside Nigeria. Most of my class them will be there that time. Most of them, none of them know there for this struggle. For any Ambazonian fighter, we be there for early 2017. he know me very well. One, Kawa Yannick for center for Ajaso, where he had tribalism. They be call me short man, where he overtalk because of tribalism.
Okay.
Yeah, so almost all as fighter the way they be did that, the way they be did Nigeria at that time. No be this one they for corner road now. Yes.
So the one they didn't know now one for corner road.
Yeah, TIF group now.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. All right. So Kawana Yannick, you don't left gone. You did for center, but thing that is also pass. Maybe we'll go show now the first one as we come for you this Saturday. One of the things that we pass for inside country. Now only for Friday as we come for you this Saturday. We go take on go for that side. So for Bachua, now for inside Babaju, now for West Region country people them. We Friday for morning time as we say so will be land for day for afternoon for that side. So for inside Bachua for Babaju. Now just the control post will be one land for day where they talk say some group for boys them where they do with the gun, they don't pass for day, and for ground na blood we meet up inside this control place. We hear say na uniform people then will get gendarme and police people they be the make control for the way boy they attack them early 5:30 for morning time for that side. So for inside Bachua for Babaju, this motor na the Siam na tanker where he carry fuel for his skin, and this tanker where he carry fuel for his skin, so the driver he die and even person where they call him say motor boy he says he die for inside that attack. So total number for people there they die for this attack for inside Bachua for Babaju for inside West Region for Cameroon on Friday. If the terrorism at 6, we get 3 gendarmes, 1 policeman for the uniform people them, and 2 civilian them. We get a driver for that this tanker and even the motorboy where they die. And just so sabi just now, even as they never really fit for pick out the people there they can't do they blame saying a boy the way they deal with the gun. Kawa, this kind of thing happen first. You like Percy way you don't change. When you see the kind of thing that is also continue for happen, how you feel inside your heart?
No, for when I see the kind of thing they happen, I dey really feel bad. Why I dey feel bad? Na say the security them for Cameroon as a whole. I don't know whether they be slack or they not be vigilant, because where you see control way una don't mount control, that kind of control una pack sand them. Where you did for that kind of place, wait where you dey think. And I think say the Babaju then for a border between the south and
northwest
and west.
And west.
So where you did for that kind of place and that position, that Babaju, Anglophones them plenty there. It's just like I did Douala now, I know if you talk say I be safe. Because this Douala Anglophones they over plenty there. And any place where Anglophone mostly the youth, they where you know every know them and they come now due to this crisis, you don't know them. You just need to be vigilant. Now thing that I get for talk. The securities and for that border areas in between southwest and Littoral, northwest and west, they need to be very careful and vigilant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, the time when you be the whole gun, you never ever do the kind of attack them. You never ever come out, go for different end.
Like
for now, they accusing a boy that with a gun, but we never yet really sure whether not them. But you never ever do the kind of thing.
No,
you be there.
You no need for doubt them whether you never be sure. You just need for nothing at them.
Okay.
Why I talk so? Every day, Christian they talk say they need for carry the fight across the border. The border they simply mean say they need for cross for French zone. We mean say anything will happen. Just they clearly talk no be nasty way a day. They say they need for carry Eric Tato. They say they need for carry the fight cross the Mongo River. We mean say they get for cross for French section. So when he did doubt, I no need for doubt them. You just know say now them. And again, a border a area for between the border between northwest and west, so you no need for doubt them.
Now before this one be one pass, as I say maybe you already sabi the two be happen for Bengui for that side. So for Momo division we so inside the week Wednesday breaking Thursday at least 5 people then die. Uniform people they be involved, and that woman where they call them say Ma Becky Jeme, when a communication person for Momo, all that one day the pass, so they say a bomb. Now the level that
you know for talk much, I know if to talk much about that kind of thing.
Yes.
Why I know if talk I say. Udena for time where man of know
who be who.
Mm. and where it happen, you know say where you did for that kind zone, you just know say that kind thing be very normal for happen, so you just need to be prepared. And you know if it talk say na bomb or na gun or na wetin, it don't happen, person don't die. And at least my own problem na say security, they need to be vigilant.
So you mean say for you now that security put there, they need the open eye plenty?
Yes, na the make and they feel say they take them. Yes, and inside security, the group, still some of them, they work with the boys and they give that kind of information for that kind of operation for happen. If they're still as the control will happen. I feel say na information. Yes, na information. I don't work on information for long. So na something way na information they make them. The boys and they get that power for do that kind of thing. When I still within the military sector. Yes.
So it means say that the news they come out from them, the uniform people who reach for the people that are here.
Yes. Now so the thing they happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we go left that attack we happen for inside Babaju on Friday for Kumba side, Thursday na bomb with the meet up for side for Kumba. Maybe you say Sabi Kumba fine you don't surely come out from Manfe reach Kumba. And they be meet up some this bomb na country bomb where they make and way they so they can keep them for corner some newspaper place opposite police station, central police station for that side, so for inside the Kumba. We don't notice and say time and again it bomb them, they don't destroy them. No be only for Kumba, but we sabi say Yawinde, they don't throw a bomb for plenty quarter them. Inside Douala here, bomb be don't hala, when a hand country bomb them, and this one for inside Kumba. Kawa, you these checks in how they do this thing. Some put this or talk say as well as you show the one, some other put the result say that one are just for sure say they work, say no but two way happen. You agree with these people? You people they talk say just for show up where they come.
You know, for any thing, people they do it and they out for criticize. When you look the bomb, nothing with me a filmmaker.
Okay.
If military want use them or government want use them for propaganda or the military they want use them for sure say they work, they know for make that kind of local one. That one a normal mixture dynamite where they mix them, combine and put this dynamite inside the soap and the rest, arrange them for the give moment where the thing will clash and explode. Now something where they teach we for training ground for daddy. So nothing way we know I'm fine and we all the maker. But if not the one way it happen for your own day, I know if it talks, I know if you really be sure say na Ambazonian boys them. I know if you be sure for that one.
Sure.
Yes, I know be sure.
But most of the time when they cash and so the one for you, the year for life for you, they don't have for more than 5 quarter them for inside and there. Most of the quarter they happens in a quarter the way English people they plenty.
Now for implicate them. Okay. I don't think say na them.
All right. So this one for inside Kumba, you check
that one I know the doubter.
You know the doubt people
yes,
they do. You know say na them.
Na them. Yes.
Because you say feed one.
Because me say I feed one.
Okay.
And me say I don't put them. Me say I don't explode them.
Okay.
So no be thing way I the doubter.
Then waiting that phone they do for corner because they notice and say plenty of this bomb there, this country bomb them. If they ever get phone for day, then SIM card, well, this one they common SIM card for the what? That phone for corner now for doing it.
Now for corner, where you call it go cause vibration. When the vibration, the phone now go a day for high vibration. They just lead put an on play where it lean. When it vibrate, it go shake fall, and if it fall, that socket go spark. As a spark, the thing go explode.
Okay.
Yes.
So now they work that for that phone.
Yes.
The phone are just for say make it.
Yes, may vibrate.
Then the SIM card for where they ever be.
Until go call na the number.
So after now they work that for that SIM card.
Yes.
Where it means say if police people they take them for staff for find information, they
no they no forget nothing.
Wow.
If you be na your own SIM card self, we be the travel they seize and they use and do the work.
Okay. Then maybe after they follow
they can't follow the same and the work the way it be innocent.
All right, and we go left that chapter for bomb. Kawayanik, Isasabi don't be for insight, and Idisabi. Plenty of the thing them. And inside the time from the time when this problem is start, so till now, we is also here for problem them for born. One of the born in the way happen, we never overstay. Now for that side, so for Munya, for inside the southwest region, for around that side, so for market, for Munya, where they born this big motor, and they talks in some group of boys them. And plenty of the time, that when they born the kind of motor them, they some people that they believe say they so the boy then they time the motor now. Kawa, just tell we which kind of strategy, which kind of sense they use the time motor, then they born them. So they, even by that time, uniform people they never come. Now so the information where they pass.
When you see them so, you look and find a 8 road, not be on top main that. You understand? Mm-hmm. It's just they like the people there for cafe, coffee, bear weakness. I take their motor, their pickup. When I be take their pickup, I divert they become or sing for cafe place. I take the pickup. I no need for be for the road. I divert the motor, enter a car bush. Now me myself a driver.
How you manage diverter?
That means I'll get for move and for main road. Mm-hmm. I enter. It's just there like container. You know, for here they never be used to container for fuel. The long tanker they meet up and for road to stop on a divert the container, transfer and for other container. The other container come out, the other motor remain. So it's just the same thing. You take the motor, you divert and for different road. You do 2 a 1 do for any time, number of time we want do you know information you gonna when you don't hold the motor, one motor pass go in front. He go give information. So when I don't enter bush, no money this year. No, so they no fit blame the military for that time.
The believe so that they ever use the people they use special power. For the time when they do the work, when I know the fit for there is no man know the know now after when I don't finish do the work with people they know.
Sir, wait till I go talk clearly now say. You see this Ambazonia whole thing, no be extra powers. Now one thing that way people they still feel and they feel no extra powers no day. Because why I say no extra powers no day? I feel say it be day, but it don't die. The reason I say operation, if you do operation for 3 minutes, a worker fine. If you do operation for 40 seconds, where you come there, go so it take 1 hour for do and just 30 seconds. So nothing we need a lot of smartness. If you know smart, you know if you fight Ambazonia fight, you go die. You need for smart, you need for be extremely you need for be very vigilant for the thing. So not be extra powers for now. Now just smartness. And you think past any person. If you meet up 500 people, you get to think past all man. Oh. Yes, so nothing way it get a lot of smartness.
Now, why did they ever born motor them now for make open eye for people them or not just for make people then service then day?
Now for just open eye and for people for no say then day.
Okay.
Yes, no be any other thing.
Did they ever born motor?
You know, we from Manu division. We no be used to. We no be used to for that kind of thing. Okay. It's just there like for we for Manu division. Video be there a taboo for we.
Okay, for make video them put on social media.
Yes. Now after some time we
now start saying like na play.
Yeah, we just start to see how we so need for do a bit difficult.
Yeah. Okay. Now, Bekawa, plenty people that go one sabi something. How you manage enter for this thing? Wait, they use how much for tell you say come inside? Or now you say just decide to enter?
Papa, I will say no English Anglophone Cameroonian no fee ask that kind of question. You just need to know why I enter. You understand? Mm-hmm. All Anglophone Cameroonian need to know why they think why people they define. So now they fit the same reason make our way I join.
Wait me the reason.
Me I no fit tell you, but you know marginalization.
Okay.
Yes, now just the me I grew up now for Border Town. And for Border Town, I be the manage a building material store for Manfred Central in Bia and Sons. If you see tax where that man they pay, that means he pay tax pass KFA root office for Douala. Pay tax pass KFA root big store for Bafoussam. For Manfe, it tax plenty pass man wey dey Bafoussam. Where the man for Bafoussam is store big, they more than he own 10 times. So all that kind of thing them. And it's just there like say, some people then come now for Joka make money. You enter government and for make money when they transfer you for English region. They intimidate some of you. So it provoke me for join.
Okay.
Yes,
but you sabi why I ask you that question, because plenty after they left gone, they talk say no, now this person be tell me say if I enter, they go pay where we get in here, where we get to one time, they go pay me so and so thing, they will pay me amount, or they faithful give some money before they enter. So you know be that group of people that they be give them money?
No, I know they part.
Not just for scarcity where they happen, you no find you.
No find me.
Okay.
Yes.
Now,
and me, I dey so I like justice.
Mm-hmm.
I like meeting the street. I know like it just they like. As I be earlier talk, my fellow fighters they will be there since for Ajaso for long, 2017, early 2017 and the rest, they be know me. I kick against small meeting for Northwest them. They say all Northwest against small meeting. I be the kick against, I say, Ude for place to as one, will be there about 700, close to 1,000 of us in Ajaso. In the why be say a particular people they will get small meeting. We every morning will get meeting, general meeting, then morning time, small meeting for waiting. Man, people then come, small meeting, they talk for control one time. I be the hala me, I so I head tribalism.
Okay.
Yes, so that's what I did. So I know they part and parcel for that people the way they say, and they enter because say they be do so they be. I not enter for promise.
Okay.
You enjoy the like I surrender, I no surrender for promise.
Okay, you no surrender for promise. You just check say na time for left gun.
Yes, because my reason why I be the fight, you know they really go against the ass.
You be one time.
I be one time, I need forever.
Now inside the fight, sometimes be way people they no be fit for waka go kumba peacefully. Some period. We all man you want go kumba the check sense like some 2 times. At the call kumba for example for Sikasina inside Boya to kumba na. It no get for take up to 1 hour, but people they want pass on that road, they think more than 2,000 times before they walk because of some other group where they be the cash people them hide them, carry their thing them. You be aware time with the thing be they happen. No, now be do something time we be inside.
You know, when Wazuzu be there in powers for Moyoka, Anga Wazuzu, na my family brother. So na something where. Just imagine say you travel, they break you, take you go for bush, take your phone, take everything where you get up. Like as the people they for the fighters enough for Manu division for a cock road they do am. So imagine say you want go Kumba, how you get for start? That mean if you take your phone, put it inside your traveling bag, and where they get for search your traveling bag. So you just need for think. It's not easy for just come out so they go away, no say they'll take you for road. If your motor they fine, they just give motive. Say the motor be passed that day for where they be say that lockdown, they burn the motor. You need for think.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So
no, but ABB na a group for the people that they fight, or na some other people that they just decide for the take money from people there, or na the same group there.
Sir, you know, no group no the way they operate for Southwest, we no be na Ambazonian group. Me they know the misinterpret people. Me they know the propagate say native group. No, all na Ambazonian group. The reason why some of them or some of we when Abidede would do am na because say no man they giving no nothing. Diaspora need is no forget about that propaganda where they do am for social media. None of them need to do no nothing for the fighters on ground. Now the fighters their leader the way they go Nigeria, where we get meeting for Nigeria, they still the fee fine. Because of the money the way they get, they send me small money, chop, enjoy for hotel for the few 3 days or 1 week where they come back. And I still die last day. So they do all that thing for get money for meet up for buy arms. All that thing for buy arms. They just they like this other side for Bamenda where boys and now they take cows them for Fulani them, take cow them for people the way they do cattle.
Mm-hmm. Cattle railing.
Yeah, cattle railing for that side. They seize their cow them. Why they seize and I say they want season for make quick money for buy arms.
Okay.
Yeah, so now the same thing. No be saying some thief group, no, all na Ambazonian group.
Alright, and just for Sabi country people them, we go take una now enter for this other chapter. So this also continue for talk with Kawa Yannick. Now we special guest. Number 2, PG News debate where we get them inside 2021. And Kawa as well as Sabi, he been a person way be don't fair hold on, but he don't decide for labor man, so he talk for we. He say no person no be forcey for enter, he just want justice, and no person no forcey before he come out. But inside the period, make we take una turn back, we rewind hand time small. Make we talk concerning the boys and way they be don't be inside the group, then they be the left gone. Some time ago last year, we be get after we they kill one of the general them for that side. So for inside Le BLM, General Ayeke, as we they talk, some group of boys them or men them too they be left gone where they be come up for Le BLM side, and where they be show them for that side. So for governor for Southwest Region in office. By then, Secretary General for inside governor in office, if it talk come good for this group of people them, where they become show with them and they become with plenty of them gun the way they be the use them for a fight for that side. So for Le BLM bet, country people them according to I will sabi plenty of the time where the image them come, we say with the talk and plenty them they way the checks in no, they want them are just fake, they want they know they find. Now I beg you go take we back for the first start for the image, then Kawa Yannick, he go tell we whether he sabi any of these boy them for Kawa, all the group for boys that we see the way they show we, you sabi all them, and sabi say they don't surely can join on for that side for DDR.
For all the boys the way they did for they did DDR. If you see on the way red and
you
green,
red,
tricot,
green, yeah,
yellow
too,
different colors them. Wait until you enter DDR before you get that tricot. So the first group them where they wear that tricot, they be don't first come. They come like today, the other group they come the other day. So that's what it be happen. They come in 2 groups. First group come, the second group come. So all them then they did the Arrow Center.
Okay.
Yes, I even get some of them their number. Yes. For my
so you confirm say all them now.
No, all them.
All they don't feel who gun or na gun there they go.
They even get the other guy for they be there Ayeke. His second in command, and that's so for the way he carried that back. Yes, so I even get pictures. I even get Ayeta way the bush. He be get dreadlock. That he be just there like Ayeke himself. So all them no be na say na some way or na propaganda.
So no na fake.
Yes, say no. Na the same way they be don't talk for me say I no be na Ambazonian fighter. So for that kind of thing, them all man just need for no say they no go ever green say the man be there na the man. So all them then there for DDR Center. Okay. That's why they be don't talk for me say I no be Amba fighter before.
So you confirm say all them
no, all them na Amba fighter them.
Now we get other people them for inside this chapter. I beg I make we see the other picture. This one they be left gone. He never overstay for after we Oga Paul Tasson. He waka go visit Le BLM for inside this one way the talk. That for 3 boys away they left gone for inside. Abega we turn back for that picture. The picture first. More left this one. We go turn back for this small time. They walk away. The thing we follow on that. Yes, this group for boys them too they talk say they left gone after municipal election last year, and them too una be get this group too for una site. Yeah. They come on Le BLM, they be left their gun for Allo DOA office.
Yeah, all them they did DDR. You know where you left your gun, you know the 2 stay for
outside.
You know stay for outside. They just move carry come for DDR. You no need for stay for
outside.
For outside.
Now, plenty people they ask but Kawa, how you manage come then they no follow you? Then they don't say when you day inside, you must to remain for inside, or you finish with they finish with you. How you manage come out when no man no follow you for to say Kawa? What? How? You will get some extra powers?
No, sir. The main thing I say when you go and join, no be man be put you inside. So when you come out threatening, I receive threat from day way I surrender up to today. So na normal routine. They threaten you, but now you need for mind the way you work at your movement. You need for mind the way you move. You just need for be alert. Say anytime anything can happen. So you just need for be steady. The Jodela still they do all so when I dey Bonaberi side, I no go tell you say I dey 100% safe. I need to stay for some place for long because I know say Anglophones and they northwestern, and because my fear no be na the southwestern and na the northwestern and the.
Why?
You know, I no fit talk.
Now you say you no like tribalism.
No, the reason I say no be say na tribalism. I say when I say I no like the way the northwestern, and I say they need to understand. There is just one brutality continuously.
Okay.
We no be
you know fine for the talk that kind of thing. That one already hit. That one I hate talk. That one I hate talk. And you know fine. So we'll continue for that chapter, Kawa. But we will continue. We never finish. After where you left gone, you go direct. Now for DDR Center. And make we talk. Wakawe Fayengo Francis, head boy for DDR Center. He become, and he be surely be one of the second or maybe with the third or fourth worker.
His second time.
Go now, second time. That's if you remember self. You say be then say we become for camp promise things them for now. He talks say they go do things them now. Kawa tell we life for you for inside the center and life for you that will be there outside. Now which one he define?
Tower day outside or tower day amber or tower
yes, that way you see the inside the group.
If now for say life for amber, the life for inside center, I no go really call us life now for me a be fine, more better than Tawe Ade Amber. But Tawe Ade Amber, the life for the financially a be sweet pass now. Now I call and say I no fit know. Now I be church rat. Compared to Tanwe I be the inside amber.
So Tanwe be the sing whole gun. I go prefer say me with the talk chapter for whole gun than for the call the name. So Tanwe you be the whole gun, you be the get plenty money.
Hey, sometimes the BWay at the inside a week I'd get close to 20 million.
Wow.
Yes, so and I be I be then an Ambazonian general.
Okay.
They make me general. I was a commander for a very long time since 2017.
Okay.
So when I become for commander, I got my own side, Manfe Central, and the rest. So, you know, when you are a commander or a general or whosoever, as a boss in Ambazonia, you get your own area where you control. Now you be na financial secretary. Now you be secretary. Now you be na how they call them? Treasurer. Now you be all thing. Now you be all things. That means all thing
they come for you.
Now for you. You know, no man no get saying. So I be really be financially stand.
Fine.
They fine financially.
So you talk say if you get like some 20 million for some time,
yes.
That money they come outside. Do you go attack people? They take their own money too, or that one?
You know, I did a border road.
Okay, so now they do control.
Yes, so they do control and border road. No be na this small motor the way they fly they na camion them. And at times most business people them, you know, they ask them, they call your phone talk say I don't send some my boy me can give you this and this money, millions.
Like boss.
Yes.
So that if you let their motor pass.
They know, you know they hold their motor, they just send the money.
So you sell plenty, they take bribe.
No, I not ask you send them, I'll take them, but normal na bribe because say they transact business with the road. Now why that way they give the money?
Okay.
Yes.
So it means say that road where the Dangongo road they carry it in them. Most of the time they need the pass for the correct road. Now why they custom them to the day?
You know that road for this struggle now custom then right for Manfe Central, right for Eco.
Okay.
Custom no they again plenty and control they don't reduce because of the insecurity.
All right.
Yeah, so now road will be free.
Okay.
Even if you pass for a CAC road, you must meet up me there. Because na side way when I be get injury for my food, I be take treatment. And for that CAC road now mostly private motor them, new motor the way they go buy for Nigeria. They use and pass for the road. And for they must go see me.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, but so you talk life time will be the whole gone, it be sweet because of the money.
Yes.
But danger be the day. You don't say anytime if he take you.
You just know, you just they like now. Ambazonia and the boys they now they there for the fight where they still hold gun. They feel key anyhow because they know say anytime they can die. Now why that way I advise any person say whenever they are cash on for road, my brother, my sister, no show power back. A bat for me to my way don't take tramadol, smoke, banga, take Thailand, take cocaine, mix am with whiskey, stick them for bush, drink am all one time. Then he know say if he die every now, you meet up, you make up. I Becky, give anything you want get am. You go. No waste time with them. Now only I know what they say. No fear them. No. I dey talk na the truth. When you meet up them, they fit die anytime, so they fit do the anything because they know say they go die them anytime. Yes.
All right, so make we talk life inside the DDR Center. So it already starts. Fayengo Francis don't come. Since we're there for inside DDR Center, we will get to our boss, Fayengo Francis, when I the lookout owner. Now, just tell me, waiting on they do for day every day for that DDR Center. How did they look out for that DDR Center?
For DDR Center, I go say DDR they very okay, but not okay.
Okay.
You know, for the beginning for DDR, I be the oldest person now with DDR. From the beginning for DDR, when we be the complaint, they be talk say money never, budget never be, they just manage. But now, budget don't enter, but we still
suffer.
We still manage.
Okay.
Life for DDR, a day fine. Why I say a day fine? I say you get a 3 square meter a day. You
sure for that one?
Yeah, that one I be sure. Anyhow we work, I know say get no be small good quantity. You get a 3 square meter a day. You feel free. If na sport and the rest, if for those the way they do agriculture, they do those the way they do. They learn driving, they do chicken, one the way they do raise fowls, they do one the way they raise pigs, they do some of them they assist for kitchen section. One the way they na ball, you know, for them a daily football school.
Okay.
Would they play all team for boy or the winner? Or the win all team for boy? Any team will be winner.
Una be all star.
Hey, no team no they will go can't play with for the win we.
No be so.
Yes, but some of them they just believe so they use na juju no na strength. You know, my way don't work from Manu division to Fako with food. In the end, if you enter for Playboy, things say go fit tire her. So for the activities and for they fine.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but not 100%. I go say they 55% fine.
Okay. 55% fine. So before we go enter for the survey check, say the people that they look out to na get for add more power. I want just ask you for inside the center. You don't call plenty thing. The one day they go for bush. They do their farming. You get one day they look out for how many centers they already put them for now or waiting we. Have it or handwork them. They already start teaching some handwork they want to do and so that maybe after when I go come up for day, when I get to na own handwork for do.
For that handwork them, I was saying driving poultry farming. Mm-hmm. I be active.
Okay.
I feel say which other one?
But it doesn't put that they go bush.
Farming for tomato.
Mm-hmm. Since boy and I find
so one day they do their tomato. But you know, not just the activities and that way a day.
Okay.
I no go add no one, I no reduce no one. One way not be functional, but the name they I no call and say be functional because no this year.
But like which one they way they bet?
They don't say ICT. There's no ICT in Boya.
Okay. For the DDR Center.
No, I don't think so. But computer they did.
Computer they did.
Now computer they did, but we no get some class they will say. You know, to one time for 1 month is that not training that. Just they like when they say big man they come on your own, they come, they go arrange things them for enter for study make some kind of thing. A thing they just need for be straight. Yes, I want me I like meeting be straight. I don't like meeting Ben.
All right. So waiting be some of the team them where you don't ever the like we talk 55% okay, some other one the way the dance. Which other thing them apart from this computer to we don't talk we check say they be get for the two and way they never the two and way the one that big people them because I believe say some of them they following now as well they talk where they expect say they expect say me they do them maybe then sabi say they do them but they need the do them.
You know, for the teach man driving like my bash, you see me are they so even though I did I don't know be say I be they fine I did okay I'm not okay. Why not say my people the way I come before them they don't integrate them. Then they left me for the. He try to understand me. Then there are people the way they be don't fair be they learn driving, they know driving, they know everything, they reverse fine, they no get license. So how I go claim say the train man we need to give book say don't qualify. Now that one no be training, no be training that. I no go learn driving or I finish. They thought say, hey, you pass, then no give me license. You tell me say I learn driving. No, that means you just camouflage me when I come to so they learn driving. No, when they give license, man go talk say they learn driving. How you go to learn driving? Claim say they learn driving, they need to give license, or they learn poultry farming without certificate, piggery without certificate, agriculture without no certificate. Is that now learning that you need to learn no nothing? So
what did you expect from them?
They need for put all those things in place. They need for at the end. They need for the try for make sure say they give some paper where show say this man don't qualify. Where if he goes on site, they say they need drivers. You go show your own document. Say you know driving. You don't know driving. You no get license. That way they ask driver license for road. So I beg they need for do one. Then the DDRO need for get up a concrete program. Say if you the bidding at 7 months before you want surrender come day, you know say the bidding 7 months. If you the bidding 1 year before you want surrender for bush come day, you know say the bidding. You don't make up your mind say the can be the 1 month, 1 year.
1 year.
Me they no just dey no program.
Okay.
If you the be, you just the wait now wait any day where they announce and say or any day where they talk say no. They need for arrange the program there. Put them in place.
But so far, when you look the plan for the center, the plan defined for you. The plan for the DDR, all the two they talk say it go happen. The plan defined, the structure and fine, or you check say something they do they get from they get a commoter.
You know, for DDR, I feel say now one of the people in that way, the S fighter, then one of the people in this way, the government need for use them most for cool down the crisis.
Okay.
But they neglect the DDR. The government need to work. They are wrong and say they just as you surrender go there nothing doing. Now just some of us they will surrender go there. No be DDR the permit we, no be DDR the give we airtime for do a sensitization program them. Na patriotic Cameroonian them where they love Cameroon and they assist we. But that means we make the place be popular while the place itself no the support we. Okay. You try to understand me. Yeah. We make a media where no say DDR day. Why the DDR no give a time?
All right. Okay. Kawayanik will get Abega make we put the element we did now just now. John Lebam no comment. Make Kawan Yanik say if look maybe go surely remember all. He don't surely forget. Make we see. Now what's be happen for day?
Yeah, the main thing where they happen for day, where be happen for day, na say, you know, as I be earlier talk say I dey for DDR Robert, I know they find her because say, imagine say I go bring, that means I go encourage people they go left bush, they come, they integrated, they left me for the center. Then I surrender, I know just wrap my hand, she done. I go in for sensitization, I walk, I know they let others, but they integrate them, they left me. Then when they be left me, they be tell me, say they go assist me for one way or the other. Then they no assist me, they left me. Till now, they no get my time. Because of thing wey I do, a make a way, I need to remove my family from area where they be there to another area. Then I just imagine I did DDRO, I get for the fine money for feed them. And I need the worker anyhow. Now the things say, which way the things I fit do for raise money, for assist my family. Because only for put my face outside, not only for social media, I go down for fee. I don't be for Manu division, I surrender, I be Manu. I be for Kumba for sensitization. I go right interior, I take care for sensitization. I went to Indian division and other areas for sensitization. The bad one again, I say, for dialogue, major national dialogue. Now wonder way, if my family for just day, for area, they for key all them. They for key my woman, my pikin, they for just key them. If they feel they touch my family, my brothers, them, wait I be there Amazon and they no get my time. They feel they kidnap them. In the if for being my woman, my picking them now, they for inside my place, they for do her. So my vex, I say, baby, tell me say they go assist me, my daddy. They say, Kawa, you are the face of DDR. We cannot reintegrate you now. We cannot integrate you now. Just be there. Okay, I did it. The first coordinator be even you understand with me. When I cry, so you go try for understand with me. But now, I don't feel no.
They need to look at you at all.
No.
So if you want, they look you plenty of the big people that they look you now. We'll be sure. Which message you want to send them for them, as you get the opportunity concerning your condition.
Yeah, concerning my condition, I say, me then try for understand, say, a bat for go take lion for bushway a don't wild, bring ye for house for the first 1, 2, 3 years or 4, 6 months. You defeat the lion, you try for 30 lions, that lion say, as you did so, no mind, you yeah, we go to do you this in them. We go to do you this in them. Then the lion, they even try for talk, say, I beg, take me, go keep me for this zoo, small place where you go, the small beef then they. Ma follow and ma use my own power, cash am, chop. No, they always give me. They say, no, just be. Where are they simply talk, say, and no fine for say they go take me, keep me. They don't integrate my friend them. My vex now say they integrate my friend them. Okay. My friend that they work, they pay them. Then they careless about me. Then they claim say Kawa, you are the face of the DDR. Now just my vex that. So at the back now say, me the big people they try to do something. Because I need to tell lie. As I did from about last month in now. I know first nothing way. I don't just confused because I don't calculate say I feel do it now for start life at fresh. Because I don't the hope for something, the thing that come to pass. Mm-hmm. You just stand it for do otherwise. You need for start think fast before it's too late. So I need for start think.
I hope so you need the thing for take
No, I get my way okay. I think, so I get my own way. So I need for start think.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, so we will just continue for talk. Kawai and Nikki the big people them for outside, they say they don't put it like face for DDR Center for Boya. So automatic, he like face, he did like the ambassador. So they must look at you. They must even put you for small per diem, as they call them, small money. For some, they look at your family them too. I believe that I don't talk the same to you talk.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Kawa, we get another person. This other person, they like say don't come again with plenty life for inside the DDR Center where they inside. We talk about Lieutenant Colonel Ekoso Lissinger, where he says Francis, yes, Colonel Ekoso Lissinger Francis, where he says he they like say don't come for DDR Center plenty time for Kanto Kutuna, Mitopuna. And this last time we come, if you go remember the last time we become, he say it become with the good news for people them for DDR Center. The good news, if I remember to it talk fine, he say become with 3 good news. He say number 1 thing, na say at least 123 people them there where they be sure say this year they go give them some small thing. And number 2, he don't talk with the big man, Minister for Defense. Say people them way they fit fight where they get power for join army. If it take them to make they enter army, but the only bad news will become with the number 3 thing is say all the thing they so it go pass now only for February. Now, Lieutenant Colonel Ekoso Francis, he don't complain the time, and at the same last time we get he play to have plenty, he feel free. How if you talk about it and the promises them you the wait for see wait it go change for February.
You know me again, I not get that patient for promise. I just want me to do it. I know now why that way I not believe for politicians. But concerning this man, I go really say the man na papa for picking them.
Okay.
That's to me I even see as the boss. I need to talk say I the blame, I need to talk doubting. Na the boss. That means supreme for me. I see like supreme boss. Because imagine say you come boya for yan. Like if you don't come even before these days, that means you just come boya for a personal thing them. But he no go pass. He no just come go. He must come
for DDR.
In that way come he no the behave like say he the worker for different.
He be big man.
Yeah, big man. He the behave like we.
Okay.
Then just imagine, just like a president where he go for normal Cartier figure play ball. And then like a president where at times it is true for he dey inside taxi. That's why the man be very lovely and caring.
Okay.
For the man I appreciate him.
Okay.
I like the man.
Okay.
If na so way the boss says for day. I think say DDR for don't go, if for don't be better than now.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So you expect something by February, actually?
As I earlier tell you, say me I know them for promises.
Okay.
I just want me it come to pass.
All right.
I just want to me happen.
May happen. They may just be say it don't happen.
Yes.
All right. Now, Akawa has so the drop gun. We will plenty of on a day for DDR Center. Other one the day outside, and we get this other work where they talk now for build back for make some people then get back that thing there they don't lose them for Northwest and Southwest where they call them reconstruction for BP Grammar. And the man where they for before that reconstruction, na Minister Paul Tasson where they don't talk say now get that power for build back all that place where they don't burn and cover. You don't already start laugh. I want to ask you check say they no fit use some of una for this reconstruction plan?
Why I laugh first now because when they talk of reconstruction, first thing where they come from my mind I say how they want to reconstruct. They want to reconstruct where the problem is still go on.
They be told say they'll start for Sawe quiet.
Whose side on quiet?
Maybe town quiet.
Ambazonia fight no dey town. Destruction no take place for town. If a say they don't write people the way that thing they don't be destroyed, they write them for Boya, they write them for Limbe, they write them for Manfi Central. I say they never write them. Or they write them for Main Kumba. They never write them. Me then go for inside, they will see destruction. And secondly, you talk say they feel use na very good idea. Why I say na very good idea? And I say for me, I see say reconstruction first. Now first for calm down the mind of the people. Before the reconstruction program will take place, waiting I say, like some people they used to say, this thing no be gone fit solver, no be gone fit solver. I tell you the truth. Gone and sensitization, they need for work as one. Why I go talk so and say, you know people there for interior, don't forget about this town them say Boya, Limbe, Kumba, Manfi Central. No, Ambazonia no dey. You want see Ambazonia, enter Akwaya. Enter Bonge Road, so they go Levam for that Mundemba side. That bush villages them. Go there, you go see Ambazonia. You want see Ambazonia, go for northwestern and interior them, no be inside Bamenda town. So wetin I go talk na say, first they need for sensitize the population. They need for talk for the population, because not only sensitization and gun fit solve. Why I talk so wetin? Some group for amber fighter dem dey wey na be na ex-convict dem, wey dey prefer say so far as they get there, you know, any man wey get powers and money, he feel free. Where if he should also he just took am so. Like Sabi do am before. You can so
he move plenty
2 million. You just wanna buy me, but buy people buy me, but drink so they. You just call some barman. He say yes. Some people they can't, they give them mimbo. Me they enjoy the drink. He judge some. He settle some case you the camp. They enjoy the drink. This reconstruction program, some ex-combatants them, they need for first go in front.
Okay.
Like for this year, so they need for enter for sensitize. And it like now, I know if you say send me say go do sensitization, I say we'll do sensitization for Boya. For sensitize who them. Mami them way that picking and they for Amber, they know they for towns them. They day for that very community. Village them. When you're picking an Amber, I need to run the village. You did a hat.
Okay.
Except saying your brother be Amber, you did town you day for day. But no be say you are picking the day, you running, come to it's difficult. Right. Better I go stay for bush.
Okay. Yeah, and as Sabi say, if we get for talk, me and you Kawa, we will get plenty time for talk and plenty thing to talk. So before you come out for today, we Sabi so we'll surely get another time for meet up. Before you come out today, waiting be that message we want to give for outside for the one the way they see whole gun, and one the way they inside DDR center where they cry. Just talk to me so that we'll finish.
Yeah, my brothers and sisters them, my papa them, we una still there for bush. Wait till I get them for tell una say Cameroon no fit divide. Cameroon now one and indivisible Cameroon. No kind fight no day. We fit fight if we solve the situation. And thing will be the fight for at least they don't meet up, they don't come to small. Now why that way regional election, they don't give we special statute, at least we will control our own area, even if no be 100%. And again, this thing need to pay. Where you die, you don't die. When I left that thing, again no they forget about the money the way they hold them. But if we go die, they go bury you like rat at the back una. More left this thing. More no follow talk for our brother, they for diaspora who die. And for my brothers and for DDRO, I already know una problem na time we una go come out. So me all will just be patient. Even though me I not be patient, because all will be patient. Yeah, thank you.
All right, Kawayanik, one of the boys them will be whole gone, but either for DDR Center and he decide for day with you for talk with you today. As well don't talk, we will surely call you again some other time. He go glad for come for you for come talk with you. Oh now when I don't look with this afternoon, we thank una plenty of no before for look una sabi say broadcast he go come for Sunday for 8:30 for morning time. One time plenty Innocent Abega. Thank you to plenty Ledupone, Malice. We all them the join hand for CC make program for this afternoon pass. Now the number 2 Pidgin News debate inside 2021. If all Tiwaka find them me, I go meet up una for Monday for morning time. Country people, on all I'm tight and Kawayanik, thank you plenty.
Why? Thank you too, sir.